Radius Group. That's us. You can find us all over the map, and sometimes we are quite literally out of this world. But what exactly are we? We are the smallest details you might not think about. The tiny fibers of the universe tying it all together into a great tapestry. Radius Machining manufactures high-quality serial CNC machined details. Blocks, cubes, and various geometric shapes made of metal. Small and medium-sized sub-assemblies done by our workforce. Radius Hydraulics, hydraulic hoses, tube assemblies. Repair and maintenance done by us so the fluids can flow. And last but not least, Radius Linder, custom-made hydraulic cylinders to move the largest mechanical muscles, which cultivate, build, and explore. Everything in our Radius, from a single component to a complete system.